going up the staircase. So as I said before, all this will be removed. The carpet will be wooden staircase going up, the wooden rail, the metal rail with the cable wire, all this will be changed out. Yeah, there's something upstairs that I want to not show until the very end. It's a surprise. So we're gonna target to be down on the floor. And we're gonna go over here to the washroom and then back. So back here, you come down a little hallway, you have a washroom. So I did upgraded the sink so you can get a real sink. And when you get the cabinets, you end up getting the little quartz countertop right here that comes with it. They claim it's free, but as you know, nothing is free. That is a look outside, that's downstairs. Yes. So I love this quite well. And what I love about this washroom, you have a big, look at this. Oops, battery dying. Look at all this space for linen. So I told him not to put the shelving in here because we're going to place our own wooden shelves. And that will look amazing. And then you come over here and here go another space for linen. Amazing. Look how far back it goes. I love space like this because I'm telling you, it's always a struggle where you're going to put your stuff. Then this is another guest room. Love the windows once again. Nice. And then you have the closet. Very long, not wide, but long. Quite long. It's my first video, so I'm learning how to do this to catch the right angles and stuff. It will get better. So just to take a look from here for the entire room. Quite not bad. The lighting is amazing. Yeah. And then if you look, you have the walkway down here. So you go this way and it's another bathroom, which belongs to that room. Again, perfect linen closet. I love that for my towels and stuff. And we're gonna put glass shower. Possibly change the tile on the wall. I'm not 100% sure. But I think we're gonna add glass on top of the tub instead of curtain. Just do glass shower. And countertop and sink is gonna change. Not sure what we're gonna do with the floor. Maybe gonna change the floor, maybe not. And that's that. I still have something that I'm hiding because I don't want y'all to see that yet. Then this is my son's room. Just like the other rooms. Nice lighting. I do think these rooms are kind of small. So he ended up having his own bathroom. It's a Jack and Jill bathroom. We're gonna take all the tile off this wall and do something nice. And just gonna do the rimless glass. But what I love about his bathroom so much is the cabinets. Oh my God. Tell me, this is amazing. It looks so good. This was an upgrade. Of course, you can tell all this was an upgrade. Yay me. All this was an upgrade. It looks amazing. Just amazing. It looks so good. As of right now, I'm still waiting on the faucet to come. But it's not here yet, so I'm waiting for that. But it looks amazing. First, I said I was going to take the glass out too and do too little, but no. I think the big glass, I think it looks good. So we're just going to put the rim around it, just the rim, the black rim around it. But no, I'm not taking it out. For what? No, it looks so good. And so this room, oh, and I forgot, we have all these pocket doors. We have all these pocket doors because I didn't want the door to be in the way. So look at that. Just all the pocket doors. Amazing. Yeah. And then this will be his game room. So it's like he has his own little suite. So this will be his game room. We're going to put a couch right there. That's a pull-out bed. We're going to put 2 game chairs. And then we're going to put the TV on the wall. So a pull-out chair, pull-out bed, 2 game chair, a TV, and his little study desk for when he have his homework. Perfect. So all this back here is for him. And then this is the living area. All of this is the loft. Of course, we're going to put the TV in that wall, a nice couch right here. Everything is so white and clean. I know people think I'm crazy for getting white, but I love my white. I'm going to put a fireplace in the center of this wall, the one that goes on the wall. most likely just for decoration. For the AC, this little AC comes with a little speaker that I could be laying in my bed and say, hey, can you put the AC at 75 or 74? That's going to be amazing. I don't have to scream and call a mirror. And then you come over here to my bathroom, which all of this bathroom is going to be gutted. The floor is going to be changed. The sink is going to change. The countertop is going to change. The tub is coming out to a standalone tub. All of this. The funny thing is, again, those are the cute mirrors. That's the two with the light. They're so pretty. But I'm not sure why that I actually like the big mirror. I think it looks good. And I think all I want to do is to put the trim around it. I know I'm going to change the light in there, but I don't feel like I have to take the mirror out. I think the big mirror does something versus just one small mirror. I'm not sure. Tell me, guys, if I'm crazy, because I know everyone takes it out and put the two cute mirrors with the light, but I don't know. I find it quite nice. The cabinets are upgraded. The countertops are not, but I'm definitely going to change those out. But the main thing is to take this big thing out. It doesn't look bad, but it looks dated. So I want it out and I want the standalone tub. The shower, I'm going to take the walls down and all this is going to be just a rimless glass. Yeah. And the inside tile is going to be changed also. And this is the toilet area. It's also pocket door. I forget how you open this. It's also pocket door on the toilet area. I just love when they don't take up too much space. I'm going to change out this toilet because I don't like it. And last but not least, the closet. Beautiful closet. I cannot believe that they put these type of lights in here. Oh my God, that's ugly. So all that is coming down. So you have this side of the closet. It goes in, there's a wall. So you have this side. Well, you don't know me because I don't have a YouTube channel officially. But I take over the entire master closet every time. My husband don't get none, but I'm going to be nice and I'm going to share this one with him. I'm going to give him this wall. He allows me to take it over, trust me. And he's going to build me a shoe and bag rack on this wall. I don't have a lot of fancy designer shoes or bags. I don't. And I don't plan on buying them because I'm not going to waste my money on them. But I do want the wall to put my little shoes and bag. So we're going to put shelving with the lights and put my bag and my shoes on this wall. I'm going to put a makeup desk. I want to say somewhere right here in this corner because I don't want to do my makeup in the bathroom because I get real messy. And in here, eventually upstairs carpet is going to stay for now. But once the carpet start getting dirty. Oh, and we have another closet right here. I love these little closets. They're amazing for towels and stuff. You can't go wrong. And this is the bedroom. Beautiful bedroom again. Not too big. This is actually for the longest, the smallest bedroom that I've had. All the bedrooms that I've had for the past couple of years have been humongous. So this is, food is here. Yay. Yay, I'm coming. So this is quite, I have to hurry it now. But my last hit zone is the balcony. From the master bedroom comes the balcony. I could just walk out to my balcony. I have to redo this video. And it goes all the way there. And look at that view. Just look at that view. Look at that view. Yes. And from the living room, it's the same thing. Amazing.